Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, former PNP Member of Parliament Joyland Silvera was taken into custody today in connection with his wife's murder. Mr. Silvera was picked up by members of the Major Investigation Division.
Now, head of the JCF's crime portfolio, DCP Fitzbailey, gave an update about the case on Thursday. We have details from Dwayne Anderson.
Joyland Silvera, the husband of the deceased Mrs. Melissa Silvera, has been taken into custody as a suspect in this case.
A stunning development in the murder investigation of Melissa Silvera. It comes 6 days after she was laid to rest and followed weeks of relative quiet about the case.
Despite public speculation, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, in its commitment to transparency, swiftly launched a thorough investigation to address any concerns of a cover-up. For transparency to be maintained, the matter was reassigned to the Major Investigation Division, MID. Several lines of inquiry were drawn during the investigative process, and having satisfied ourselves that there is sufficient evidence to mount a viable prosecution, as a consequence, consultation was made with the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution, who concur with our findings.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey explained a lot of work is being done to find the answers about the case so justice can be delivered to the family of the deceased.
We understand the concerns of the public, and this update is provided to assure that our work is ongoing and focused on seeking the truth. I extend my deepest gratitude to the key stakeholders who have played pivotal roles in the exhaustive and meticulous process of unearthing critical evidence.
And while a multi-agency large-scale investigation is ongoing, the police say they would welcome any information that could strengthen the case further.
We encourage anyone who may possess valuable information related to this investigation to assist us in our pursuit of justice. Your cooperation is critical in helping us to better piece together the puzzle. Your trust and collaboration play a vital role in upholding the values of justice and security that we strive to provide. Together we can ensure that our communities remain safe and justice prevails. If you have any information, please contact our dedicated hotlines at 119-311-811, the Major Investigation Division at 876-758-5048, or visit our nearest police station.
It was initially reported that Mrs. Silvera died in her sleep of natural causes on November 10, 2023, but an autopsy report revealed that 3 bullet fragments were found inside her body, prompting the police to elevate the case to a murder investigation. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.